How to create transparent text effect in Canva. First, I'm going to Elements to upload this picture as an example. You can choose your image from your computer. After choosing this, I will go to Edit Image and click on BG Remover to remove its background. Next, I will change the background color like this. After that, I will adjust the picture on the background perfectly, like this guys. Go to Text and click on Add a Heading. Write anything you want, I'm writing dashing. Then, go to Fonts and choose the League Spartan font. Adjust this font perfectly like that. After that, I will go to letter spacing and give some space between the letters, like this. Now our text is perfect. Then, I will change our text color, like this. Bingo! After that I will go to Text Effect and choose Hollow Effect like that. When you're done, go to the Share button and download it as a PNG file, add a new page and go to the Upload option. Click on Upload Files and upload our previous design. Then I will right-click on it and adjust it as a background like that. Then, remove its background. When you're done, go to the Share button and download it as a PNG, making sure you click on Transparent Background. After that, go back to our first page. Go to Text Effect again and choose None. Then, go to the Upload section and upload our previous design. Just place it, the same image. Click on it, go to Layers, and bring it to the front, like this. Adjust it perfectly on its mirror image. Bingo! Our work is done. Now, go to the Share button and download it as a PNG file. Here is our final design. If you like my design, then please like my video and subscribe to our channel for more Canva tips and tricks. Thank you.